Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and I want to give a shout out to all of my subscribers, currently sitting at 504 at the time of this video. So another milestone for the channel, guys. Just want to let you know how much I appreciate every single one of you for coming along with us on this journey to 1,000 subscribers. So in this video tonight, I'm going to go over an email that was sent to me from one of my followers from TD Ameritrade regarding OTC stocks. And I'm going to talk a little bit about what that means for the future of OTC stocks in regards to TD Ameritrade. So let's go ahead and dive right on into it, guys. All right, guys, so it says, Dear valued client. Okay, and this was obviously sent today at 4 on 4/26/2021 at 2:28 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It says the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) recently approved amendments to rules regarding investor protection when trading in over-the-counter OTC securities. One potential impact of these rule changes is that when current information regarding issuers' financials is not available and/or quotations are also unavailable, such securities may be designated as caveat emptor or buyer beware. These changes have the potential to create conditions where the security is difficult to sell or trade. Effective May 25th, 2021, TD Ameritrade will restrict orders in caveat emptor designated securities to liquidation only. Only closing orders will be accepted after this time, and existing orders to open new positions will be canceled. We are notifying you as you may have traded in or held positions in securities of this type within the past 12 months. Okay, so what does this mean? So OTC stocks who basically don't have current financial information available for investors to take a look at, I'm assuming they're going to label these as buyer beware, or basically you can only sell these positions if you currently hold them, but you won't be able to purchase them on TD Ameritrade. Okay, best example I can give to you on this is the stock or artist formerly known as TVIX. Okay, so TVIX is still tradable, just not on TD Ameritrade. Okay, but if you did hold that position whenever it got delisted, then you could have still sold it off of other brokerages such as Fidelity um, or E-Trade. Okay, so whenever you go to buy a stock or sell a stock, it's like you got to think of it as like all these stocks are sitting on a shelf, right? And you're walking in, you're coming to buy it, you're looking around, looking to buy, and the broker walks in the back and takes the stock off the shelf and gives it to you. It's kind of like the middleman, right? So these brokerages are like the middlemen between you and the stocks for sale. So what does this mean as far as the OTCs? Well, if you hold any stocks or if you traded any of these stocks that are going to be labeled this, I'm assuming you're going to get an email just like this guy did, okay? And if you do have that, then just kind of be on the lookout after May 25th. If you're trying to get rid of it, it may be a little bit harder to do. So doesn't mean you won't be able to get rid of it and won't be able to sell it. It just means you won't be able to buy it. Okay, so just something to kind of keep an eye on. If you get this email, then and if you're heavily involved in the OTC market, then you may want to contact TD Ameritrade and ask which specific stocks are you referring to myself buying that may be labeled. Okay, because I didn't get one of these, or at least I didn't get one of these yet. I would assume that they got it today, so they probably shot it out to everybody. So uh, I would assume that I should have gotten one as well if those were any of the companies that I talk about on the channel or if I invested in. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know um, that that's what may be happening to some people who trade those type of stocks on the OTC market. I guess they're just trying to alert people on, because there's a lot of sketchy companies out there, guys, especially on the OTC market. That's the really, really risky side of things on trading on these. So you got to make sure that you do a lot of good research on these companies before putting a dime into them. So anyway, I hope that helped a little bit and shed some light on that. So real quick, I want to go over the plays we talked about last night on our Sunday night stock pick video and give you a quick update on them. All right, guys. So first one is Zomedica Corporation, ticker symbol ZOM. We talked about this one forming a quite a good setup. It fell down to 94 cents and then just rallied all the way up to $1.14 today. So we're up about roughly close to about 20% for the day. IQST was another one I was saying that the levels that it was at presented some very, very good buying opportunities, and it bounced from 72 cents all the way to 91, 92 cents. Okay, I tried to catch some more here, and man, this thing just, you see it shot straight up. Okay, and I was trying to buy here, and it just kept moving up and up and up to where I'm almost actually at my break-even point. So if we get a smaller pullback, maybe in the 80s, then I'll buy some more. If not, I'm just going to ride it out and let it rock and roll. But if it hovers around 90 cents tomorrow, if it didn't come out swinging, then I'll maybe get some more tomorrow at that level. So again, for this one, anything under $1 is extremely, extremely attractive. And then Clove, COLV, we talked about getting it under $9 or at $9 and riding it closer to that $10 mark. This one's more of a quicker swing. As you see, it ended at about 9.22, so it got as high as 9.39 on the day. So it's one that if you're swinging this one, I would put a tight stop loss on it, maybe try to ride it closer to that $10 level and then bounce out. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.